Paxcess electronic drum set. This is a 7-drum practice drum pad that can be used with headphones or with the built-in speakers. So you can see it's got 1 snare, 3 toms, 1 crash, 1 ride, 1 hi-hat, and 2 foot pedals to play the sound of bass. It can be rolled up and used on a battery mode if you want to bring it outside or to any of your adventures, or you can use it at home unplugged or plug it in with the USB plug. When used in the battery format, it has about 10 hours of playtime and has a variety of different extra sound settings on it. So you can play it with the demo songs or learn, or you can put it in the click mode, which will allow you to get your timing on point. The MP3 mode is just placed in the back. You can upload it to your computer. There's an on-off switch. It is a USB DC 5-volt to charge it, and it supports a 5-pin jack. Definitely check it out.